Airplane. Might be the same one actually. And the windows are down, so, and yeah, boy, he flies low. Already can't see it. I'm waiting for him to pull up, and I do not see the man, the airplane. That is, I'll get my belt on. I don't think he just landed at that speed. I guess he could have. No, there he is. Man, it's flying low. Wow, how's he flying so low? Waiting for him to pull up again. There he is. Yeah, that's pretty impressive for me. You know, I've flown in airplanes and not like that. And I've never been a pilot. Wow.